Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which is the correct option to forward logs from Tanzu Kubernetes grid clusters to Elastic, Kafka, Splunk, or an HTTP endpoint? Option A. No action is required. Tanzu Kubernetes grid automatically forwards the log files to syslog. Option B. Use the kubectl get logs command to forward the logs. Option C. Deploy the FluentBit plugin to vRealize log insight. Option D. Deploy FluentBit to forward the logs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Deploy FluentBit to forward the logs. Question 2. Refer to the exhibit in the following storage class manifest. Which field is used to specify the volume plugin driver used for underlying storage array? Option A. Type. Option B. Name. Option C. Parameters. Option D. Provisioner. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Provisioner. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.